Earlier this week, Judge Beverly Cannoni abruptly ended a hearing over what she called, quote, grave concerns. Well, tonight we're getting a better idea of what the judge was so worked up about.
All right.
Karen Read's defense team on the hot seat after new information about experts in the first trial. The defense presented those experts as independent government witnesses.
These experts did not arise from us.
I understand that.
These experts were hired by the federal government.
So I'm to believe that the defense is calling 3 witnesses that you've never spoken to and putting them on the stand here
That's essentially it. We've spoken to them only for the purposes of coordination of their testimony and their background. That's it. We have not been able to interview them regarding their findings.
The experts in question are from a firm called ARCA. And in Read's first trial, they testified that the damage to Read's SUV and injuries to her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, were not consistent with a crash. But this week, prosecutor Hank Brennan told the court that the defense actually paid those experts and pointed to a bill ARCA sent to Read's defense team for nearly $24,000. Brennan also presenting emails between the two discussing testimony.
What the judge was rightfully concerned about, as any judge would be, was there a misrepresentation of facts or an omission of facts back in June so that the jury and the court did not get a full picture on who these expert witnesses were and where their biases might lie.
Now, the judge told Read's team to be ready to answer questions about those experts when she resumes the pretrial hearing on Tuesday. In the newsroom, I'm Mary Salata, WCVB News Center 5.